everyone. I am Guru Devi and my team members are Jayashree, Gauri, Kaviyarsi and Mahalakshmi. Currently, we are pursuing B.Pharm final semester from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science, and today we are going to present the business model canvas of Aurobindo Pharma. Aurobindo Pharma is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Hyderabad. The company is well known for manufacturing generic medicines, active pharmaceutical ingredients and supplying affordable healthcare products globally. The business model canvas helps us understand how Aurobindo Pharma creates values, delivers medicines and generates revenue.
A business model canvas is a strategic management tool consisting of 9 building blocks that explain how a company operates, creates value for customers and maintains financial sustainability.
BMC blocks are customer segments. Aurobindo Pharma serves the hospital, pharmacies, healthcare providers, government agencies and patients worldwide who need affordable generic medicines. The next one is value proposition. The company provides a high quality, affordable generic medicines and APIs, ensuring the accessibility and cost-effective healthcare across the global markets. So the next one, channels. Aurobindo Pharma distributes its products through the hospital, pharmacies, distributors, government tender, export markets and the healthcare institution. Next is customer relationship. They maintain a relationship through the consistent product quality, regulatory compliances, long-term partnerships and the strong supply reliability. So next, revenue streams. Revenue is generated through the sales of generic medicines, APIs, contract manufacturing and international pharmaceutical imports.
The next one is key resources. Key resources includes manufacturing facilities, research and development center, regulatory approvals, skilled workforce and global distribution infrastructure. The next one is key activities. The major activities includes drug manufacturing, API production, research and development, QA, regulatory compliances and global marketing. Next one is key partnerships. Aurobindo Pharma collaborates with the raw material suppliers, distributors, healthcare institutions, contract manufacturers and regulatory authorities. The next one is cost structure. The main cost involves manufacturing expense, R&D investment, regulatory compliances, employee salaries, raw materials and logistics.
Conclusion. To conclude, Aurobindo Pharmacy plays an important role in providing affordable medicines globally through strong manufacturing capability, regulatory expertise and efficient distribution. The business model canvas clearly highlights how the company creates value through cost-effective production and global healthcare accessibility. Thank you.